Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the frame and lens, place a towel down and lay parts where you can see them. Clean the lens edges with a microfiber so dirt won't prevent a seat. This matters because grime changes fit. For screw hinge frames, loosen the hinge slightly to open the rim. For snap frames, identify the flex point. Once done, orient the lens so its printed/curved side matches the frame curvature. Position the bottom edge in the groove first. With the bottom edge seated, apply steady pressure to the top edge, working from one corner toward the opposite. This prevents pinch stress points. Use a soft plastic spudger or your thumb wrapped in microfiber to nudge plastic frames. Metal prying can warp the rim. If the lens resists, warm the frame slightly with warm, not hot, water to increase flexibility. This reduces stress on coatings and frame. For screw frames, align the post, start the screw by hand, and tighten in small turns. Finish by checking alignment. Lenses should sit flush, not tilted. Look through both eyes and confirm optical centers match. Clean the lenses, then wear briefly to ensure comfort. If you feel pressure or the frame warps, remove and repeat the seating steps rather than forcing. One key troubleshooting tip: if a lens won't seat or there's visible gap, gently warm the frame in warm water for 30-60 seconds, then try again. Repeat loosening screws first for metal frames. If the lens is chipped, stop and see an optician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.